As you recite, O Lama, care for me 3 times, pray one-pointedly with an uncontrived faith that is vivid, eager, and confident. Vivid faith comes from thinking of the qualities of the Master and the 3 jewels. It is a very vivid and joyful state, similar to the way a small child feels when seeing its mother. Eager faith is the eager wish to abandon negative actions having reflected on their faults, and the eager wish to undertake positive actions having considered the benefits they bring. It is similar to the yearning that someone suffering from extreme thirst has for water. Confident faith is a confidence in the qualities of the Master and the 3 jewels, which cannot be shaken by temporary circumstances or events. And a trust in the laws of cause and effect strong enough to survive the worst kind of circumstances.